Welcome to Eldon Tool and Engineering. Listening to you, the customer, and understanding your project needs is our prime objective. We want you to be delighted with Eldon, a company that genuinely understands your business, the challenges you face, and what's really important to you. A high quality result, complete reliability, product integrity, and a clear competitive edge. Let's explore how this works by going behind the scenes.
How does a manufacturing concept become more than just an idea? How does the initial product design ensure a seamless and efficient manufacturing process from prototype to final product, ready for delivery? How does innovation in design and manufacturing methods translate into substantial cost savings and tool versatility for the customer? Our focus starts with the customer's requirements, and right from the initial concept, our highly skilled and experienced CAD engineers take every aspect of tool design into consideration. The proposed manufacturing method is examined very closely. They think about how the product can be designed to utilize efficient methods of manufacture that will use less material, saving weight while making it more cost-effective. Clever design can add even more value. A simple design feature or modification can add versatility. With some Eldon innovation, the tool can fit across 2 or more versions of the engine. All this thought and care put into the design process bears fruit on the factory floor. Once the design has been validated and tested, manufacturing begins. This is where your 3D designs come to life. Precision engineering with extra attention to detail. Part of the Eldon process is ensuring quality is kept to the highest standard. We achieve this by ensuring that all the manufacturing processes are carried out in-house. Constant investment in new technology expands our capabilities. Laser etching gives our customers the opportunity to promote their brand or inform about design registration. Chemical blacking for appearance and corrosion protection. CAD designed foam cutting ensures all products produced have safe and secure packing that only adds to the quality of the end result. Our warehouse extension in 2017 has expanded our production capabilities.
Eldon is proud to be based in Sheffield, here in the UK. We want you, the customer, to feel dealing with Eldon is effortless. That's why we undertake every individual aspect of production, from design, manufacturing, picking and packing, and distribution. That seamless process of manufacture means Eldon is a company you can do business with. Thank you for visiting Eldon.